So you are ready to register for classes. You'll notice that we are already logged in to my FVTC. From here, you will want to find the enrollment section located on the far left and click the Add Classes link. Notice we can choose from multiple terms. I know I need to select the summer term, so I'll select that term and click Continue. The Add Classes, Select Classes to Add page will be displayed. There are two ways to add classes. We can either enter a class number or use the class search. I'm going to demonstrate both methods. Let's use the class search method first. We'll click Search and the search page will appear. In many instances, you will know the catalog number, also known as the state course number, of the class you'd like to register for. The catalog number is used to identify a course name, such as written communication. Since we know the catalog number, we will enter it. To narrow down your search results, click the Additional Search Criteria link. This allows you to search by specific criteria, such as the days of the week or mode of instruction. It also gives you the option to search by the class title if you do not know the catalog number. If you use this field, please only enter one word that is in the title. Otherwise, it may not find an exact match. You may want to narrow your search results by campus. For instance, I may only want classes that are offered at the Appleton campus. Using the drop-down menu, I can choose Appleton campus. For the purposes of this search, I will not select a campus. Once you have narrowed your search, you can click Search at the bottom. As you can see, the next screen has pulled up a list of written communication classes. Notice that the regular classes are followed by the distance education classes. When I am viewing the classes, I can see some basic information such as the date and time and the location. Make sure you choose a class at the proper location. I have determined that the first class, number 10274, will fit my schedule. Notice that this section is open for enrollment because there is a green circle in the status area. If there was an orange triangle, that would mean that the class is accepting waitlists only. We will talk about waitlists more later. If there was a blue square, it means the class section is closed and not available for enrollment or as a waitlist option. You can always refer to the key located above the search results to determine what each shape means. Since we have determined the class is open, I will click the Select Class button to the right of that class. On the next screen, I can verify the type of class, the days and times it meets, and the start and end date. In addition, the prerequisites for the class are displayed. If you have not met the prerequisites, you will get an error when you try to complete the registration process. I've met the prerequisites, so I'm going to click Next. Notice the message that is displayed saying the class has been added to my shopping cart. The shopping cart does not mean I'm done registering. It's just keeping the information available so I can select other classes to register for. In order to secure a spot in that class, I must first finish the registration process. Before we can finish the registration process, I'm going to add another class to my shopping cart. We will add the next class using the class number option. I know the 5-digit class number I need to register for, so I'm going to enter it in the box and click the Enter button. Once again, it brings up information about the class, so I can verify that I have the correct one. You will notice the orange triangle, which means the class is full and is accepting a waitlist only. To add myself to the waitlist, I will check the Waitlist if class is full box located on the right. If a seat becomes available, students will be enrolled in the order that they were added to the waitlist and will be sent an email confirmation. It is your responsibility to check your email to see if you have been enrolled. The automated waitlist process is discontinued 3 days prior to the start date, at which time you will have to check the classes for openings and enroll yourself. Keep in mind, you will not be allowed to be added to the waitlist if you do not meet the prerequisites. So let's move on. I'll click Next. The class has been added to my shopping cart, and you'll notice it's listed with the other one. If you decide you no longer want one of the classes listed in your shopping cart, you can remove the class by clicking the trash icon located to the left of the class. We want to enroll in both classes, so I'll click Proceed to Step 2 of 3 to continue the registration process. We'll click Finish Enrolling. The payment responsibility agreement will be displayed. You'll want to scroll through and read this. The agreement states that you are responsible for paying for any classes that you sign up for and do not drop before the start date. After you have read the agreement, if you agree, click OK to continue the registration process. Once a year, you will be asked for information that the state requires. What you need to do is go through each question, such as work status at enrollment, and click the magnifying glass to look up possible values. You can make your selection by clicking the appropriate choice. I'll go through and make my selection. Once you have completed that, you can click OK. The system will now process our enrollment. A message has been displayed indicating that we have been added to the waitlist for the one class. If you were not added to the waitlist, this message will not be displayed. Notice the waitlist deadline date. This is the last date that you could automatically be enrolled in the class. Next, the results of the registration process are displayed. You'll notice the green check mark, which indicates that we were enrolled successfully in one class and also added to the waitlist in the other. If there had been a red X in the status column, that meant that the process did not complete successfully, and you can read the error message to determine why. We've successfully completed the registration process. Now let's click My Class Schedule, the button found near the bottom, to display your class schedule. You will also notice a Print Study List link. The study list is a paper that you can print out that will display your classes, the textbook information, and any notes you need to be aware of before you begin class. It's really important you take the time to click that link and print it out. Also, be aware that in order to purchase your books at the campus bookstore, you will present your study list. Now that we have finished the registration process, let's talk about your responsibility as a student when it comes to dropping classes. As we mentioned earlier, you will be responsible for paying for any classes that you sign up for and do not drop before the start date. This includes classes you are enrolled into by the automated waitlist. Keep in mind that FVTC will not drop classes for you due to non-payment or non-attendance. Also, a student must drop through My FVTC or through enrollment services in order to be eligible for a refund. Do you see the drop tab at the top? That's where you would go to drop a class. As an FYI, instructors do not have the ability to drop a student. For more information on our refund policy, please go to www.fvtc.edu/refund. Now that we've completed the registration process, you are ready to register for your own classes. Good luck and welcome to FVTC.